Hungry monkeys. Yeah. Oh my God, I love this little dog right here, eh? Oh God, I love him. So cute. But you know what? And this one too. Yeah, hi Diego. And that one there is Bella. But the heads on these guys, wow. Look at the neck on this one. I'm gonna call him No Neck. He's such a cute boy. Yeah, he is. Oh, look at him. Don't kill me. Yeah, what's going on, Diego? You can't find a nipple, honey? Over here. There you go. There you go. Oh, there you go. There you go. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Greedy Nala. There you go. There you go, Diego. There you go, monkey boy. Oh, you missed it again. Now you're missing it. Come on now. Right there. Right there, right there, right there. There it is. There you go. Good boy. They don't need help, but sometimes, you know, what happens here is Nala, right here, she was actually quite small compared to the others a few days ago. So I kind of help keep the resistance away from her when she's feeding so that she doesn't have to fight for a nipple, because she doesn't really win that battle too often. Well, she does now. She's doing pretty good, but still. So there's Blue. She's the biggest female. Actually, I'm sorry, not Blue. That's Bella. She's the biggest female. I think this one here, who's this troublemaker? That's Havoc. I always tell it's him because he's got that little white spot on his shoulder like his dad. Havoc Senior. This one here's got a little white spot too. This is Blaze. Yeah. Anyways, Blaze is lovely. They're cute. Oh my God, I could just eat them up. Anyways, they traumatize me more than not. Actually, she traumatizes me when she lays on hey, mommy girl. Anyways, she's a really good mother. Anyways, that's it for tonight, this morning, whatever. Bye.